Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how to make my delicious biscuit cake. You're gonna grab 24 pieces or 2 boxes of your favorite biscuits, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, and 6 eggs, and blend them all into a blender. Here I'm just melting some sugar into the pan that's going to be baking with the cake. Once the sugar has melted, I'm adding my mixture in, and then I add the cake pan into a larger pot with water. Make sure there's not too much water so that the water doesn't go into the cake pan. Then I put it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. And here's your final product. This is really good with some coffee or tea.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like I said. Bye.